Welcome to Easy English Lessons. In today's lesson, you will practice a natural English conversation about a morning routine. Let's begin. Good morning. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Yes, I did. How about you? I slept very well. What time did you wake up today? I woke up at 6 o'clock. That's early. I like having extra time in the morning. What was the first thing you did? I turned off my alarm and stretched for a few minutes. That sounds like a good way to start the day. Then I made my bed. Do you make your bed every morning? Yes, it helps my room stay neat. I should do that more often. What did you do next? I brushed my teeth and washed my face. Did you take a shower? Yes, I did. I always take a shower in the morning. I usually shower at night, but sometimes I shower in the morning too. What did you wear today? I wore a blue shirt and black pants. That sounds nice. Thank you. Did you eat breakfast? Yes, I made scrambled eggs and toast. That sounds delicious. What did you have? I had oatmeal with bananas. Did you drink coffee? Yes, I have 1 cup every morning. I usually drink tea instead. Do you check your phone in the morning? Only for a few minutes. I check the weather and my messages. I try not to spend too much time on my phone. That's a good habit. Do you exercise before work? Sometimes. I usually take a short walk. I like doing simple stretches. They help me wake up. What time do you leave the house? Around 7:30. How do you get to work? I drive. The drive takes about 20 minutes. Do you listen to music? Sometimes. Other days I listen to a podcast. That makes the drive more enjoyable. Yes, it does. Do you pack your lunch? Most days I do. It saves money. That's true. What do you usually bring? A sandwich, fruit, and a bottle of water. That sounds healthy. I try to eat well during the week. Do you always leave on time? Usually. I like arriving a little early. Me too. It helps me feel less stressed. Do you have any goals for today? Yes. I want to finish all of my work before I go home. That's a great goal. I want to stay positive and be productive. I hope everything goes well. Thank you. I hope you have a wonderful day too. Thanks. Don't forget to eat lunch. I won't. And remember to drink plenty of water. I will. See you later. See you this evening. Have a great day. You too. Goodbye. Goodbye. Excellent work. You just practiced a real-life English conversation about a morning routine. Listening to conversations like this every day will help you improve your vocabulary, listening skills, pronunciation, and speaking confidence. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to Easy English Lessons, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new English lesson. Thank you for learning with us today. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. And we'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.